Best deals.
1. Pan storage rack. The solid heavy carbon steel make it safe even hanging numbers of kitchen utensils. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Organizer. Come with 2 slide-out drawers and 4 movable dividers. Each drawer can slide in and out smoothly, making it a breeze to access hard-to-reach things. The movable divider allows you to freely adjust the spacing as you like to organize your meds, cosmetics, stationery, skincare, perfume, brushes. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Bowl holder. Dish holder organizer made of PP material, safe and non-toxic, light in texture, stable in support, corrosion resistant, wear resistant and durable. It can organize bowls, pot lids, container lids, cutting boards, seasoning packets, has ventilated bottom design so it can drain water, ventilate and dry, keep dishes dry. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Pan organizer rack. The extended U-turn part provides a better footing for smaller kitchen tools so that you'll have no worries about them sliding off. Each divider is fitted with a rubber covering to help hold pans, pots, kadai, tawa in place and protect them from getting scratched or falling off. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Corner trolley. The rolling storage cart has a lightweight but durable construction equipped with wheels so you can move around the utility cart with ease. Perfect for hair salons, bakeries or restaurants to have the utensils always at hand. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Cutlery caddy. Crafted from premium quality wood, the cutlery holder offers durability and a natural aesthetic. The cutlery holder doubles as a stylish storage box, keeping your essential utensils easily accessible while maintaining a clutter-free dining space. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Hot pot stand. Square design of hot stand for kitchen utensils gives stability and strength, made of high-grade stainless steel material. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Small plate stand. Crafted from premium quality steel, ensuring durability and longevity. This Bartan stand, also known as a kitchen organizer, resists rust and corrosion and is easy to clean. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Drawers basket. 2-level sliding storage baskets for convenience in the kitchen, bathroom, office, workshop, and more. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Wooden spice rack. Features a natural wood finish and beige metal frames. The 2-slab design adds a touch of modern minimalism. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Dish drying rack. 90 degrees upward flip up, 360 degree comprehensive protection. Flip up hovering does not take up space, anti-smoke, make the shelf more stable and firm to maintain balance. Non-slip suction cups, suction countertops, do not shift, do not shake, has thickened carbon steel, multiple rust-proof steel layer. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Dish drying rack. When not in use, folds up for convenient storage in a drawer or in sink. The expandable design makes the compact stainless steel dish drainer easy to store. The dish rack is designed with 2.5 degrees tilt angle which will help dry water into the sink automatically. Utensil holder features with drainage holes to keep your utensils dry and clean quickly. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Spice box. Effortlessly access your spices with a smooth, rotating mechanism. Compact and stylish, it fits neatly on your kitchen counter or in a cabinet, maximizing storage space. Made from high-quality plastic, it's built to last. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Magnetic shelf. Durable and sturdy, it is capable of holding multiple items securely. It is designed to withstand regular use. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Storage shelves. Made from durable, high-quality wood, it provides sturdiness and a natural look that complements various kitchen decors. The wooden construction ensures longevity and resistance to everyday kitchen wear and tear. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Dish drainer. In the kitchen, it can be used as a dish drainer or a drying basket for utensils. Made of with high-quality stainless steel, basket that is easy to clean, rust-free, and long-lasting, can transform your kitchen into an organized and efficient space, making daily chores a breeze. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Belin and Chakla Stand. Strong and long-lasting product for your smart kitchen. You can either hang it on wall or keep it on kitchen platform. It will easily hold your utensils without any hassles, crafted from stainless steel with nickel coating. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Dish drying rack. Hold cutlery in utensils, such as forks, spoons, and knives. Glass holder and cutlery cup are detachable to meet your needs. Detachable drainage tray effectively prevents the upper and lower sections from cross-contamination. The dish drying rack features an automatic drainage system, which can drain excess water into the sink automatically. Keep the countertop clean and dry, made of metal carbon steel to avoid bending and deformation. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Dish drying mat. Crafted from thickened PP material, the mini dish drying rack long-lasting durability. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Countertop table. Meticulously crafted by skilled artisans, the organizer reflects precision and attention to detail. Crafted from high-quality solid wood, this organizer boasts natural beauty and enduring strength. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Hanging storage rack. Crafted with a strong magnetic metal strip and 3 large thick plastic storage cups, come with 3 detachable plastic basket. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Cabinet organizer. Designed to fit inside your kitchen cabinets, this pull-out drawer holds up to 14 plates, allowing for convenient dish drying and storage. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Oven stand. It can be used in an office pantry as an oven shelf stand or and rack organizer. It can be put in the kitchen's corner and free up the entire counter. Therefore, it keeps your kitchen neat, clean and organized. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Cutlery holder. Can be used as a spoon stand for the dining table or center table for regular home use to store cutlery like teaspoons, serving spoons, forks, knives, tissue papers, salt pepper holders, ketchup bottles. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Plate rack. Seamlessly integrate with your kitchen's interior, adding a touch of sophistication to your space. Racks accommodate various plate sizes, ensuring convenient storage. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Dish drying rack. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Chakla Belin stand. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Dish drying rack. Product link is given in the 28th link. Thanks for watching.